welcome to my channel. I'm Mariana from Crafting Happiness, and today I'm going to show you how to weave in your ends on a C2C project. As you can see, I finished my Halloween pumpkin square, and as much as I tried, I still have ends left to weave in. If you don't know how to minimize your ends when you crochet corner to corner, visit my other videos on the subject, and I will teach you how to change your colors in a way that you won't have to cut your yarn as often. I'll put the links in the description for you. So for weaving ends, you will need scissors, and you'll also need a tapestry needle with a large eye. You can start really anywhere you like. Let's do a brown one. Thread your yarn through the needle. You need your ends to be relatively long, so you will have enough room to sew. So you need them quite long. What I like to do is find the nearest C2C tile or square, and I weave my ends at the base of the square, right where the double crochet stitches are clustered. So I just insert my needle underneath the stitches and thread through, and then I skip. I'm going back on it, but I'll skip the first thread. So I skip that and go underneath again, and then I move to the next tile, which is this one, and I'll do the same thing, and I just make sure the yarn goes back and forth and up and down, so when you wash it, it won't unravel. So I go back and forth, and then move to the next one, which is this one. You can do, I usually do about 2 or 3 times, just to make sure. I'm a bit paranoid about it. I'd rather have it, I'd rather overdo it and not have problems later. And then, as I said, you go underneath all the stitches, and then when you come back, skip the first and just go over it and under the rest. And that's it. Don't put too tight. You can see it's gonna pull the stitch underneath. Just make it kind of loose so you stay normal, and that's it. All you have to do now is cut at the base, and this is how you weave in ends. And obviously you have some on one side, some on the other side. C2C is double-sided, so you will have to do it on both sides. It really doesn't matter if you do them all in one side or on another one. And this is it. This is how you weave in the ends. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media for more free tutorials like this one. The pattern for this Halloween pumpkin is on my website, Crafting Happiness. It's a free pattern. It's got the graph, it's got a written description, as well as all the links to the C2C tutorials that teach you how to change the color and all the tips and tricks to make your own quickly and easily. And this is it. Happy crocheting!